Hi, this is Brian with CarTeck Now. Today I'm going to show you how to check your car's battery with a multimeter. It's important to keep an eye on your battery's charge so you don't get stranded. The first thing we're going to do is set up our multimeter. Because it can measure a bunch of different things, we got to pick the right option. We're going to use direct current voltage. It's this symbol right here. Sometimes you'll see some numbers and a couple different DC voltage options. You're going to pick the one that has a 20 over it. The multimeter will have a black wand and a red wand. The black is your negative and the red is your positive. To get a reading from your battery, take your negative wand and put it to the negative terminal. It's important to do the negative first for your own safety. You can tell it's the negative terminal because it will either be black or have a minus sign. You're then going to take your positive wand and put it against the positive end of the battery. You can tell it's the positive end because it will either be red or have a big plus sign. A good reading on your battery is approximately 12.6. If your battery is down around 12.2, it's time to start looking for a new battery. If your battery is down around 12, you should replace it as soon as you can. If you do find yourself stranded with a dead battery, you're going to need a jump. We're going to show you how to jump your car with a portable jump starter in another video. You can click right here to check that out. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day.